Hey everyone, I'm Cynthia. I'll tell you more about myself in a video later on this week, but for now I want to show you our Moodle page and where you can find all the assignments. So let's take a look. This is our course homepage where you can always find the syllabus, my contact information, the information about current and past essays. Those will become live as we go through the semester. The open discussion forum where you're welcome to post questions to me or other students that aren't time sensitive. And then the GAL database, which we'll talk about later in the semester. So each week, the current week we're on will appear at the top, and I'll put that up Monday morning. So, and if it ever, maybe it's Monday morning and you don't see it, try scrolling below it first to see if I haven't moved it up yet. I'll always try to post each week the Friday before. So, and if for any reason you'd like it sooner, talk to me early on and I can try to make that happen. So when I do post week 2, if it's when I do it on Friday, you'll find it underneath week 1. So, and then you don't really have to worry about this section, files. It's going to get longer and longer as the semester goes, but really it's just a way that I'm organizing all the course files. So it might be an easy way to quick find everything instead of going back through old assignments to find the links. If you're ever wondering what might be due later on in the semester, there is a detailed schedule in our syllabus. If you open it up, it's at the bottom. And I want to talk about why things are due 2 days a week as opposed to maybe sometimes if you've taken other online classes, they've only had you turn something in once a week. My goal is for an online class is to be just as interactive and useful as a seated class. So maybe sometimes online classes only have things due once a week, but we're going to be discussing things together, responding to each other's writing, and it just wouldn't work schedule-wise to only have things due on Sunday. So that's the rationale behind that. My other goal for the class is to help you in any way that you need and to be as available as possible. So if you look on that contact page or on the syllabus, you'll see these are my office hours. But I am here so much more than that. So if you just want to try calling, or if you live in the area and you want to stop by, if my door's open, come on in. Or text me anytime. That's why I really recommend you sign up for this Remind, which will be mentioned in a later activity, because that way you can contact me at any time of day. You won't bother me if I'm sleeping, so I'll just turn my phone off, and that way I can respond as soon as possible. So don't be shy. Let me know when something's confusing, if you have an idea for how to make an assignment better or an activity better. If a link doesn't work, don't be afraid to talk to me about any of these things, please. So that pretty much wraps it up. I think the most important thing to do when you start a new week is read the message that I've written. This is going to put things into context, explain things, talk about due dates. So you don't want to skip those because you might miss information that makes things clear later on. So what you're going to do now is after you read this message, you can go ahead and start on these activities. Once you see they're going to be orange for you, which means they're live, so you can click on them and go through them. I would say always go from beginning to end because usually I put them in an order that they build on each other. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to working with you.